we got another package? Alright, let's go check them out. Oh, good doggy. Hey, there's more than one. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing video. We've hit a milestone here. I believe this is actually unboxing video number 50. And we actually got a treat today. There's a backstory to this. This is from mikesmilitaria. mikesmilitaria.com. Here's a sample sticker from the store. Feel free to check it out. There's always a variety of items there from all over the planet. So get it while it's hot, because once it's gone, it's gone. So always check back frequently. mikesmilitaria.com. So backstory to this is these should be pre-ordered boots from 2020, I believe. So they came in, finally cleared customs in 2021, and we're going to go ahead and open these. So these are on the floor right now, so you might see my feet in the frame as I move around here. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's open the big one first. Let's see this. Interesting pattern. Looks like it's just glue. It's probably stuck to something on the pallet to keep the boxes from sliding around. Okay, so based on the description here, I do believe right here in the middle, looks like these have some nice wrap here. Based on what appearances here, these are British cold weather Gore-Tex line black leather combat boots, size 11, excellent condition. They appear to be my size. Totally new soles. Nice, 11M. Very hard toes, Gore-Tex. And here's our laces. Probably get some insoles just so I can stay on my feet, a little spongy. It's pretty special. You know what? They already have insoles. Oh. Wow. Okay. Well, I just try it out. Oh, they fit. Alright. That's one. Oh, look at that. Gore-Tex. Nice. Boots cold weather. Combat cold wet contract number. See that right there. Instructions for use, cleaning, maintenance, etc. In the back there. Try this one real quick. Nice. Okay. Get this out of the way. Ooh. I see something there. I'm gonna get my notes. We got British Haix leather nylon combat boots, heavy duty, excellent condition, 11. And this is in the box. Heroes wear Haix, double checked. Boots combat high liability, male brown, NSN number, DOM number, contract number. Made in Croatia, engineered by Haix, Germany. A little recycling symbol there. Haix.com. Here's where Haix all around. Oops, another label. UPC code. Alright, let's open this up. There's manuals and stuff. Information about standards. How to use the spacer footbed. Insoles. Care instructions. Alright. Wrap to layer, Gore-Tex, Haix, and sleeves and close fit. Already pre-laced. One tie the knot actually. Wow, details. Okay. Nice. Nice little lace suspender right there. Hook. Okay, foot goes in. Oh, nice fit. A little bit loose. I can wear 2 pairs of socks. I'll need these to work too. Let's try the other one. Well worth the wait. Just sad to hear the rest of the backstory. What that's delayed, I guess, the shipment was food items that didn't pass customs. There's a label in here, if you guys can see that. I don't think that's going to work. Quick. Yep. These are the soles, totally new. Haix, oil and fuel resistant, anti-static, non-marking. See that? Did you figure that out? Pretty thick. System in here, I can feel it. And here's the other stuff for them. Alright, so we're going to have to work on that later. Let's set these aside real quick. Looks like extra laces. I do believe they came with the Haix. And let me get this out of the way real quick. I still see something in there that's interesting. That last. Okay. And last but not least, we've got German Bundeswehr green and black jungle boots, 44-11, new condition. So you can see the soles in there, totally new. 44, 285. And anti-static, gel ou Sensenfest. Whoa, what's this? Ooh, look at that. Nice Militaria stickers outside. Let's see what happened. Got a label case. Got a case here, so I do believe I know what that. Okay, let me try these on real quick. Yep. Soles. Okay, and this one. This is the soles. And we get the label here. Case Tropin, size, and UPC tag. Try these on real quick. Yeah. Thank you, Mike. Very nice. And he had mentioned in his correspondence that he included something extra. Let me see if I can do this without messing it up here. looks like it might have shifted during shipping, so I want to set it up the way it's supposed to be. Give me a second, bear with me. Again, this is from mikesmilitaria.com, the much awaited 2020 pre-order of boots. So this was included as a thank you for waiting. It appears to be a 25 Jahre Treue dentist metal, and the looks like the West German symbol there. This is up here. Okay, see if I can get this the other side, the backing, a very large emblem right there. Very nice. And then you got the candy bar pin. Very nice, thank you. So again, this is all from mikesmilitaria.com. I'm just going to set this down here real quick. Summarizing, we got the green and black jungle boots, German Bundeswehr, 4411s. These are all size 11s. And these came with insoles already. This is a large kit of the British Haix leather nylon combat boots, heavy duty, excellent condition. They came with those insoles as well in this line. I know I'm messing this up already. Let's see what these into view. And we also had the British cold weather Gore-Tex line black leather combat boots, excellent edition 11. And then we also had the bonus metal there. Now, if the camera will cooperate, let's finish off the second box. Very similar, but not quite the same. These are German Bundeswehr M2007 black leather combat boots. Excellent condition. So, let's see that here. Look at that. Another sticker. Together. Okay, let's try to undo this real quick, or we're going to trip over ourselves real quick. Alright, easy enough. Alley-oop. Nice fit. Let's try the other one. Some markings right there. 280-106 05 12 3714. Nice fit. Thanks, Mike. Well worth the wait, I think. Of course, it could have been nicer if it was here sooner, but they're here now. So, mikesmilitaria.com, 4 pairs of boots. Never know, might still be some on the website. Get them while they're hot. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We'll also do more specific show and tell videos. It's more descriptive videos. And we also do curios for the curious on more artsy objects, as well as book and media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.